Hello all, welcome to the next session. So in this session we are going to discuss about the serial number profiles, how we work with the serial numbers in EWM. Okay, so I'll not make it complicated. I'll just keep it simple and I'll try to explain the serial number configuration in this one particular sheet itself. Okay, so overall we have three types of serial number profiles. Okay, one is document item level, one is warehouse level, and the third one is inventory management level. Okay, so these serial numbers actually whenever they are leaving the warehouse, or we are receiving the serial numbers into the warehouse, or when we are shipping the serial numbers outside of the warehouse, so there are a couple of controls given by SAP. So I'll try to differentiate at which point of time the scanning is needed or the entry of this serial number is needed for these three serial number profiles. Okay, so as I said, serial number profile are of three types. One is document item level, second is warehouse level, and third one is inventory management level. Okay, when you are working with the GR process, so the entry of serial numbers is mandatory in all the three serial number profiles, as well as in goods issue process also you will have to scan the serial numbers. Next, in the internal movement, when you are performing any internal movements of your serial numbers, then for document item level and warehouse number level, you need not, system won't ask you to scan the serial number. But whereas if you are working with the inventory management serial number profile, then system will ask you to scan the serial number. And also if your HOL is partially confirmed, then also system will ask you to scan the serial numbers. Coming to the usages, for the benefit of using document item level is it is very useful in the returns process. You can track which serial numbers was shipped and which serial number is being returned by the customer. Next one is serial number profile at warehouse level. So this serial number profile generally is used to track which serial numbers are there in which warehouse. If you are working with multiple warehouse, then you can check the serial numbers at the warehouse level. Next is inventory management level. So these serial numbers, the usage of the serial number profile of inventory management is you can track the exact whereabouts of the serial numbers at the bin location. Wherever the serial number is sitting, you can track the, or you can get the exact location of that particular serial number in the warehouse. Okay, so in EWM, serial number serialization is again divided into two types. One is harmonized serialization and second one is non-harmonized serialization. Okay, if you activate harmonized serialization, then the serial number profile is at the plant level. Okay, and you maintain the serial number profile in the plant data or storage location 2 data in MM03. Okay, whereas when you are working with non-harmonized serial number profile, then you need to maintain the serial number profile at the WM execution view in MM03. Okay, in this case the serial number profile is at the global level. Okay, so I've already created the master data, but I'll show you all the configurations, how to set up your serial numbers and the necessary settings which are needed to work with the serial numbers. So first I'll go to IMG. So under IMG you have logistic execution. Under logistic execution you have shipping. Under shipping you have basic shipping functions. Under basic shipping functions you have serial numbers. Okay, so this one is not important. The second one determines serial number profile. Okay, I'll open this node. So here you will define your serial number profile. This is when you are working with harmonized serialization. Okay. So here we need to define our serial numbers. So here I have already defined these three serial number profiles. Okay, let me show you one by one. First one is at the document item level. Okay, so this indicator will get activated once you have maintained the data in this setting, warehouse serialization setting. I'll select this and double click on warehouse serialization setting. Over here you have certain information. If you want to add any prefix for the serial number, you can add it. If you don't want anything, you can leave it as blank. Next, if you want to create the serial numbers based on some number range, then you can give the number range object name over here and give the number range number over here. Since you want to work with the numeric characters, you can activate this numbering. And next, since we want to create the serial number profile for the document item, you need to select option A for document item. Okay, so the next one is base unit of measure. You can give the base unit of measure over here. Once you maintain the data and go back, you can see that the indicator is activated for the warehouse serialization. Okay, similarly for inventory managed serial number profile, I'll select inventory managed serial number profile, double click on warehouse serialization setting. Here also I have given the same number range object serial number range number I have given as 01. And here, since we are working with inventory managed, I have selected option C on stock level and have given the base unit of measure. Similarly for serial number profile at warehouse level, here I have given the same data and the serial number requirement here is warehouse level. So the serial number profile is ready in S4 side. Next. Now I'll go to EWM. Under EWM, master data, product. Here you have serial number profile. So here again, as I said, we have two types of serial number profile. One is harmonized, second one is non-harmonized. If you are working with harmonized, then the setting which I have shown you, that will be considered. If you want to consider those serial number profile settings and you want to maintain that at the plant level, in that case you need to enable harmonized serialization in EWM from this node. Click on OK. You need to enable it. I want to show you the non-harmonized serialization, so I haven't enabled it, so I just kept it disabled. Here again you have the serial number profile in EWM system. Okay, let me go here, and as I can see the same serial number profiles which I have created. In fact, this node and that node both are same. Whichever entry you enter in that node, you can see the same over here. I mean, the node is same. Next, non-harmonized profile. If you want to work with non-harmonized profile, then there are few additional settings. Okay, first is you need to define the warehouse number independent serial number profile. I'm talking about non-harmonized serial number profile. So this non-harmonized serial profile is at the global level. So first you need to decide whether you want to work with plant level or at the global level. I wanted to show you at the global level, that is why I haven't activated harmonized serialization. Okay, so since we are working with non-harmonized serialization, here we need to maintain some data. We need to create our own serial number profile in the EWM system. How do we define that? So before we go to this node, we need to go to the below node under integration with other SAP components. We have EWM. Under EWM, we have additional material attributes. Here we have called define serial number profile. I'll open this node. Here you need to define your serial number profile. This is at the global level. That is why you don't see any plant, storage location or warehouse number over here. This is global level. Okay. Here, for example, if I want to check this one, SRDC, this is at the document item level. You'll see the same options. You'll see the similar options. You'll give the description. You'll give the number range object. I'm using the same number range object which I have used in S4. The number is also same. I'm working with the numeric digits, so I have activated this indicator. And since my requirement is at the document item, I have selected option A. Similarly for IM managed and warehouse number, I'll open. Here for IM managed, I have selected it option C, on stock level. And for the warehouse level, I have selected warehouse number level. Okay, once you define the serial number profile over here, you need to go back, come down here, define warehouse number dependent serial number profile. Now you need to use those serial number under your warehouse. Click on execute. Here I have assigned those serial number profiles to my warehouse number. My warehouse number is WH70. So under your warehouse, I'll give my serial number profile and give all this data. So it is the same which I have just shown you. This is at the document item level. This is at the IM level, stock level. This is at the warehouse level. Okay. And the next one is serial number setting for warehouse number. If you want to work with provisional serial numbers, then you can activate the indicator. For now, we are not working with any provisional serial numbers. If you see for WH17, the serial number length, maximum length is 18. That has been given by standard, and the provisional serial number is not activated. Now our serial number profiles are ready, and we are going to use non-harmonized serial number profile. So in that case, my serial number profile should be entered in WM execution level, not in the plant data or storage location data too. So in that case, if I go to my material master, which I have already created, here if I go to the WM execution view, here you can see I have already maintained the serial number profile over here. Okay, and if I go to my mat one, this is the EWM product master. You will see that the serial number is displayed here. Where? Here. In the storage tab, you can see the serial number is copied. You cannot edit this. Even if you go to change mode, you cannot edit this because it is transferred from S4 system. Similarly for the other material, if I go to WM execution view, here I have given for SN-2, the serial number profile is SRIM, inventory managed. So you can see in the storage view, you can see SRIM is copied. Similarly for SN-3 part number, if you go to WM execution view, you can see this is at the warehouse level, and the same you can see in the product master as well. Storage SRWH. This we cannot change. If you want to change, we need to change here. And there is one condition: if you want to change the serial number profile, then the stock shouldn't be there in your warehouse. Then only you can change the serial number profile. There are other few troubleshooting workarounds, but better you, if you want to like, before you perform or configure anything on the serial number profile, you should be sure about the which requirement you want to choose, whether it is inventory managed or warehouse level or at the document item level. There is one more setting. If you are working with the document item level, there is one more additional setting, that is here in the goods receipt process, inbound delivery. Under inbound delivery, you have defined item types for inbound delivery process. Here, go to your standard inbound delivery item type. My standard inbound delivery item type is IDLV, PDI, DLV. I'll open this. Here you have the serialization, right? You need to activate this indicator, then only you will be able to use document item serialization. Otherwise, I'll show you what happens if I deactivate this and save it. Now I will. So this is it about the configuration and the master data required to work with serial numbers. Now let's try to work with one cycle. Okay, I'll create one delivery. I'm using the same old purchase order. So let me select these three and delete the rest. Okay, so I am receiving one quantity of these three products, and these three are having three different serial number profiles. I'll save this, display, copy, go to PRDI. Here we have our delivery ready. If I try to perform the goods receipt, click on goods receipt for document item level. Here it says we need to enter the serial number. Okay. Sorry. So let me enter the serial number. As you can see, while performing goods receipt seller, system is asking you to enter the serial number. I'm not entering any serial number for document item. I'll enter the serial number for rest of the two. $11. Sorry, this is not the one. 11, 12. Okay, I haven't activated that indicator at the item type level. So let's see if system throws any error. I'll try to save it. Document is saved. Now let me try to goods receipt. As you can see, system is accepting the serialized product even though I haven't entered any serial numbers. You see, serial number is not there, but still I was able to perform the goods receipt. Now let me try to put away the stock. this one, click on create plus save. Task is created. Let me try to confirm. Now let's see if system asks me to enter the serial number. Because I have the serial number to be scanned, but system is not asking me to scan the serial number at any point of time, which is wrong. I'll click on confirm plus save. You see, even here I wasn't uh, asked to enter the serial number. I haven't got any error to enter the serial number, which is wrong. So this is the part number which we were working was the serial number profile at the document item level. So in order to control this setting, you need to activate one more additional indicator, which is this one. Just to test or show you, I have deactivated this. That is why system was not asking me to enter the serial number. If I click on F1, this clearly says that if you activate this indicator, then it is relevant for document related serialization. So now I have activated this. I'll go back. So let me create one more delivery. Now we are testing with the indicator. This time we are expecting system to ask to enter the serial number for the document item level as well for SN-01. I'll try to receive one quantity. Save it. Now let me try to perform the goods receipt. You see, now we are getting 3 errors for 3 items. Okay. System is asking to enter the serial number for all the 3 items. Previously we only got 2 errors. Okay. Now the indicator is working, which means the indicator is working. Okay. Now I will not perform the goods receipt. Let me try to create the put away task. I'll select all the three items and click on create plus save. This time system won't ask you to enter the serial number. Click on create plus save. You see the warehouse order is created. I'll go to confirm. Now let me try to confirm. Now let's see if system is allowing me to confirm the task without entering the serial number. Confirm. You see, serial number specification is obligatory for all the 3 items. That is why we are getting 3 line items, 3 errors. Okay, so let us try to perform this confirmation in RF. I'll go to SAP EWM RFUI. Hit enter. I'll go to manual selection. Selection by warehouse order. Give the warehouse order number. Let me try to assign some resource. Q is already assigned. Oh, let me come out of this warehouse order. Let me assign to some resource. Save it. Now let me try to execute. Now I'll come back. Now let me give the warehouse order number again. Right. So now I want to move the stock from the GR zone to its final bin. Okay, now system is asking me to scan the GR zone, which is the source bin. I'm scanning the GR zone. Source HO is not mandatory. I'm scanning the product. I'm entering the quantity. Hit enter. Now system is asking me to scan the serial number. You see, I'll enter the serial number 1515. Click on save. Next, click on enter. Maybe there is some issue with the number range. Deleting records in the table series. Maybe I have entered some wrong serial number or already existing serial number. So that is why we are getting this issue. Let me go back. F7. Selection by warehouse order 128. I'll scan the source bin. I'll scan the product. I will enter the quantity. I'll enter the serial number as 20. Hit enter. Save it. Hit enter. I get some. Let me try to confirm from GUI. Confirm in foreground. I will enter the serial number here manually. 30. 31. 32. Now let me try to confirm. Yeah, this is the issue. So here we need to activate this indicator. Actual. Then it should work. I'll activate this indicator. Hit enter. Now let me try to confirm plus save. You see, now it is confirmed. In RF also, you should have to select that indicator with some button. So that was the issue why we are getting that error. So now you can see the goods receipt put away warehouse activities are completed for all the products. You can check the document flow. You see, GR was done and put away was also done. You won't be able to see the serial numbers because you are not working with the harmonized serial profile. If you are working with harmonized serial number profile, then you'll be able to see the serial numbers. Okay, so this is about the serial number management in EWM. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.